Mastering AWS Automation with Boto3, the essential guide for Python developers. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Boto3, the backbone of AWS automation with Python. Boto3 is the Amazon Web Services, AWS, SDK for Python. It enables developers to programmatically create, configure, and manage AWS services and resources. Its comprehensive interface to AWS services allows for seamless integration and automation of cloud operations, making it an indispensable tool for Python developers working in the AWS ecosystem. Key features: streamlining AWS interactions. Boto3 provides a plethora of features that simplify AWS interactions. Resource management. Easily manage AWS resources like EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and DynamoDB tables with high-level abstractions. Client interface. Access low-level service operations and advanced configurations. Sessions. Handle multiple AWS accounts and regions efficiently. Error handling. Robust mechanisms to handle API errors gracefully. Waiters and paginators. Simplify operations requiring polling and automatically handle paginated responses. Getting started. Installation and basic usage. Installation. Installing Boto3 is straightforward using pip. Pip install Boto3. Basic usage. To start using Boto3, you'll need to configure your AWS credentials. You can do this via the AWS CLI or by setting environment variables. Example: creating an S3 bucket. Import Boto3. Create an S3 client. S3 equals Boto3.client S3. Create a new S3 bucket. Bucket_name equals my new bucket. S3.create_bucket equals bucket_name. Print f bucket_name, created successfully. Real-world applications. From provisioning to security. Provisioning resources. Automate the creation and management of EC2 instances, S3 buckets, RDS databases, and more. EC2 equals Boto3.resource EC2. Create a new EC2 instance. Instances equals ec2.create_instances. Image id equals amy1234567 Min count equals 1. Max count equals 1. Instance type equals t2.micro. Key name equals me key pair. For instance in instances. Print f created instance. Instance.id. Managing security. Automate security group configurations, IAM policies, and access controls. IAM equals Boto3.client IAM. Create a new IAM role. Role equals IAM.create_role. Role name equals me role. Assume role policy document equals JSON.dumps. Version: October 17, 2012. Statement. Effect: allow. Principal: service, ec2.amazonaz.com. Action: STS assume role. Print role name, created successfully. Best practices: optimizing your Boto3 experience. Credential management. Use IAM roles for secure and efficient credential management. Error handling. Implement comprehensive handling to manage API rate limits and service exceptions. Resource tagging. Tag resources for better organization and cost management. Logging and monitoring. Integrate with AWS CloudWatch for logging and monitoring Boto3 operations. Use sessions. Utilize Boto3 sessions to manage multiple accounts and regions effectively. Conclusion. Embrace Boto3 for seamless AWS management. Boto3 stands out as a powerful tool for automating AWS interactions using Python. Its rich features, ease of use, and flexibility make it an essential component for developers and DevOps professionals. By mastering Boto3, you can streamline your cloud operations, enhance security, and optimize resource management, paving the way for a more efficient and productive AWS environment. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.